Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I hope so you all will be doing great. Today, I will share all the information that every candidate should know before taking the Prometric exam, as well as the information you should have after passing the exam or after failure. I will share all of this information with my YouTube family members in this video, so make sure to watch it until the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and also share this video as much as possible so that everyone could get awareness regarding Prometric exam. I know anxiety is at peak before exam, so might be this video could be a better therapy session for you. So let's start. Starting with pre-exam guidance. What is physical therapy specialist licensure examination? The Physical Therapy Specialist Licensure Examination is a 3-hour MCQ examination. It consists of 150 MCQs, which may include up to 10 pilot questions. These questions have 4 options from which the candidate will choose one answer. The examination shall contain recall questions that test knowledge and questions with scenarios that test other skills, including interpretations, analysis, decision-making, reasoning, and problem-solving. Now, what is test blueprint and what is its purpose? A test blueprint is a document that reflects the content of your specialty licensure examination. The blueprint is the plan used for building the exam. The purpose of the blueprint is to ensure including questions related to what you are expecting to know. Moving towards the exam day guidance. Instructions for examination day. You will be continuously monitored by video, physical walkthroughs, and the observation windows during your test. All testing sessions are video and audio recorded. You must bring valid, unexpired, and acceptable ID or passport and exam schedule printout to the examination hall and present it at the registration desk. Any clothing or jewelry items allowed to be worn in the test room must remain on your person at all times. Removed clothing or jewelry items must be stored in your locker. So make sure to dress up simple and comfortable without any unnecessary accessories. You may not leave the examination hall before 30 minutes have elapsed and always accompanied by an invigilator if you wish to return. You must conduct yourself in a civilized manner. Exhibiting abusive behavior towards the test center administration, TCA, or any other staff member of the test center may result in legal prosecution. To protect the privacy of all testers, the TCA can neither confirm nor deny if any particular individual is present or scheduled at the test center. Repeated or lengthy departures from the test room for unscheduled breaks will be reported by the TCA. You must return all the materials issued to you by TCA at the end of your test. You are required to sign out on the test center roster each time you leave the test room. You must also sign back in and show your ID to the TCA in order to be readmitted to test room. Now let's talk about prohibitions before the exam. Seeking, providing, or obtaining unauthorized access to examination materials, providing false information, or making false statements on or in connection with the application forms, scheduling permits, or other exam-related documents. Communicating or attempting to communicate about specific test items, cases, answers, or exam results with an examiner, potential examiner, or formal or informal test developers at any time before, during, or after an examination. Let's talk about prohibitions during the examination. Taking an examination for which you are not eligible. Taking an examination for someone or engaging someone to take an examination for you, giving, receiving, or obtaining unauthorized assistance during the examination. Making notes of any kind while in the secure areas of the test center, except on writing materials provided at the test center for this purpose. failure to adhere to any exam policy, procedure, or rule, including instructions of TCA, verbal or physical harassment of test center staff or other examination staff, or other disruptive or unprofessional behavior during the registration, scheduling, or examination process. Possessing any unauthorized materials, including photographic equipments, communication or recording devices, and cell phones in the secure testing areas. Any other electronic communication device not mentioned are prohibited in the examination hall, irrespective if they are turned off, and no provision will be made to store them. Communicating or attempting to communicate about specific test items, cases, or answers with another examinee or formal or informal test preparation groups at any time before, during, or after an examination. After examination prohibitions, altering or misrepresenting examination scores. Now let's talk about post-exam guidelines. Journal rules. When and where can I find my score? A detailed report will be provided upon completing your test. After getting your passing score, congratulations, now you are heading towards your dream job. After getting your failure score, we regret that you have not passed. We recognize that you have spent much time and exerted efforts to prepare for the exam. Thus, you must not lose hope and start over. Consider your failure as a beneficial experience that enables you to know more about your weaknesses and strength points and how to strengthen them, and be determined to make it on the next chance if allowable. If you would like to request a rescoring, read carefully the authority website rescoring process, then fill the rescoring request. For online coaching classes and exam material, mail me. My email ID is also given in description box. Follow all the instructions given in the video. And yes, don't forget to share this video with everyone, your friends, your colleagues who are going to appear for Prometric exam. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and stay connected for more informative videos regarding Prometric exam and study material for Prometric exam.